Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome at Tabarak Academy. This is Amr, a Quran and Tajweed teacher for non-Arabic speakers. Inshallah, in this video we are gonna talk about the letters that we can't attach it with the following. If you wanna know, let's start.
ألا بذكر الله تطمئن القلوب.
Okay, so these letters are Alif, Dal and his brother Dal, Ra and his brother Zay, okay, and Wow. So these letters we cannot attach it with the following letter, but you can attach it with the previous letter. So let's see some examples. When I say Ahmed, okay, Ahmed, so I'll write it down Alif separately from Ha, okay, Dub, okay, so Dal separately from Ba, Dhura, so Dal is separately from Ra, okay, Rawda, this Ra separately from Wow, okay, Zay is Zara'a, so Zay separately from Ra, Zara'a. Wow, it's like Wardatun. So the question is, what are the letters that we cannot attach it with the following letter? Awesome, this is Alif, Dal, his brother Dal, Ra, his brother Zay, and Wow. So I think that's all I can say, inshallah, in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.